Great news, everybody. We're going to once again start our 15 hours of CELPIP live classes with one of our most qualified tutors, Daniela, taking care of the entire class. In this class, you'll be provided with CELPIP material on all four modules, tips, tricks, strategies, shortcuts, examiner marking secrets, things you do not see on YouTube here, and you'll be given feedback, which is the best part of the classes. Right now, this entire offer is at a huge discount. Usually, it is $25 an hour per person. But with these sessions, it is only $79 for 15 hours of classes. There's also a coupon code that you'll receive as soon as you click the link in the description. It'll take you to the website where you can register. Once you register, we'll send you the details, the class schedule, and all other details you need to know. We're starting this Wednesday, so in less than 48 hours. You can join the group. It is going to be a very small group, and it's going to be the most detail you would need before your exam. 8 days consecutive, no breaks, 2 hours almost per day to finish these 15 hours. And after 8 days, you'll be in the best position to be ready for your exam. Link is in the description. If you have any questions, you can also send us an email. Email is also in the description. Hope to see you guys soon.